Hello, everybody. In this session, we are talking about core banking. Core banking is a back-end system that connects multiple branches of the same bank together to deliver operations like loan management, withdrawals, deposits, daily banking transactions, and payments in real time. And then, how does core banking work? Core banks operate via centralized systems that help perform crucial banking services like transaction processing, depositing, account management, loan opening, and currency exchange. They also have particular database and applications for network integration between different channels like mobile banking, physical branches, online services, and ATM networks. We have highlighted several common tasks that core banks perform. The first, transaction initiation. The client initiates the financial transaction. It can be done through a physical branch of the bank or via an online platform. A transaction may include a withdrawal, opening a deposit, or applying for a loan. Second, reports and analytics. The bank system generates customer behavior reports, providing monitoring and analytics for decision making. Third, account management. The core bank spawns updating the client's balance and closely studying the transaction history. And fourth, centralized data processing. The system captures the transaction and processes in real time. Core banking platforms are compatible with unique technologies of all bank types, including traditional and digital banks, fintech startups, experienced fintech companies, holding structures, and resellers. And then we move to the basic components of core banking. As a system that processes daily banking transactions, the back-end system of core banking is made up of the several basic components. The first, account management. This module tracks the bank's financial operations such as payments, loans, and transactions. Second, customer relationship management. This module is where all the customer data is stored and tracked. This includes all their transaction and interaction history. Third, about operations. This is the center that manages all the transactions and day-to-day general operations, especially like deposit management, loan management, etc. Fourth, reporting. Just as the name suggests, reporting is the module that generates reports so executives can keep track of the transactions and overall performance. And fifth, risk and compliance management. This module facilitates secure transactions by identifying risks and frauds and mitigating them. Also, in chain of monitoring the adherence to financial laws and regulations. And then, what are the benefits of core banking? Core banking offers multiple benefits, both for businesses and their customers. The first, for businesses. This tool provides greater operational efficiency by centralizing and automating banking process, reducing costs and minimizing human errors, while offering scalable options to grow without interruptions. It also enables seamless integration with new technologies and services, accelerating innovation and product launches to the market. And then second, for customers. For the customer, core banking offers a smoother and more convenient banking experience. And then, what are the types of core banking systems? Core banking systems can be categorized into various types based on their architecture, deployment model, and functionally. And a few of them are the first, traditional on-premise systems. These are the classic core banking systems installed and operated locally within a bank's premises. They provide full control and customizations but may require significant upfront investment in hardware and maintenance. And then second, open banking platforms. Open banking core systems utilize open APIs to collaborate with third-party developers and fintech companies, enabling banks to offer innovative products by integrating external applications and fostering a vibrant financial innovation ecosystem. And then the third, digital-first solutions. Some core banking systems prioritize digital channels and customer experience, delivering seamless digital banking across web, mobile, and other platforms, catering to modern consumers' preferences for intuitive and then tailored solutions. And then fourth, cloud-based solutions. Cloud-based banking systems are hosted on remote servers and accessed via the internet. They offer scalability, flexibility, and cost effectiveness, allowing banks to pay for only the resources they use. The modern approach enables quick deployment and updates, enhancing agility in banking. And then we move to the challenges of implementation. There are three main factors holding back banks from updating their core banking architecture in this way. The first, complexity. Core banking systems are multifaceted, siloed, and then sprawling and naughty. Banks may even be running separate systems for each of their business functions. The process of migrating or replacing elements is tricky, time consuming, and requires considerable IT expertise. And then, second, cost. The previous two factors go toward justifying the sheer amount of capital required to update a core banking system. Such a project demands resources, time, skill, and an intimate knowledge of the institution's needs. And finally, third, integration. Simply updating scanners and various elements of the core banking systems is not good enough. This needs to be communication between the CRM, risk management, know your customer, anti-money laundering, regulatory silos, etc. This is a tough project when tackled piecemeal. I think it is enough for this session. Thanks for watching, and don't forget give this channel with your like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you.